I purchased these flashcards from mathwizflashcards.com and I love them. He has many more to choose from. We're going to solve for both x in this problem, and if you could take note of the fact that something squared is going to equal 36, and then if you think about it, the only thing that you can square that would give you 36 is a -6 squared and a +6 squared. So to square something, it means you multiply it by itself. Negative times a negative gives you a positive. So that means that what we have in these parentheses right here would have to be either a 6 squared or a -6 squared. So truly what that means is x plus 4 equals 6 and x plus 4 equals -6. To solve for x, we have to take the 4 from both sides. We get x equals 2. To solve for x here, we also take the 4 from both sides, and we get x equals a -10. Okay? Thanks for watching.